Hey, welcome to my channel, From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you already subscribed to my channel, thank you for coming back to watch this video. If you are not yet subscribed, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to subscribe to my channel. I like to do different hauls, from different stores, different crafting, just many different things on this channel. I had ordered many dies from InLoveArts, and I seen that they worked with other YouTubers, so I reached out to them to see if they would like to work with me and I could work with them, and they said sure. And so I ordered these 3 dies. And so I'm going to show you these and then a couple projects. So these are like some laces for like the side of your cards or whatever. They're so pretty. So you could do those like, you know, for tops or anything, sides, anything. So pretty. And then this is like a springtime collection. So you have a balloon, a cloud, a rainbow, a banner, some hearts, a bow, and an umbrella. So super cute. And the cloud has a smiley face. He's so cute. And then this is a like a hiding bear card. So you cut the card out, and then the bear is behind the card, and then his paws are out here, so he like hides. Or you can do, you know, you can do anything you want with it. So I'll be back to show you what I've done with these dies. And I've tried everything. I'm just not sure exactly what to do here. I cut this, and here is your score lines. And it says it's an envelope. So I thought, well, maybe it's supposed to go like this. And then this is your card that goes inside here. But I just can't figure it out. I went back to the website and I've looked over the examples, and I just cannot figure it out at all. So I just went ahead and made a card. Not thrilled with it at all, but it is my very first card ever. And so that is made with this die here. And it says that this is an envelope. So I've tried to figure this one out, and I just can't figure it out. So, right, so this is the first card I made. Not thrilled with it. I mean, it's, yeah, I thought, well, I wanted it to be like a literal teddy bear. So I went this route, and then you couldn't really see the indentions here. So I just colored that in, and then I used stickles on the eyes, stickles here. And then this different blue with the flowers here. And then it says sending you a big bear hug. I mean, it's not horrible for my first card, I don't think, but it's just not, you know. So that's that. So I wanted to try, I thought that I had it figured out, because I thought that you would just fold this like this, and then this would flap over here like this. That doesn't make any sense to me either. And then I thought somehow this little piece here that you cut, the second piece, goes here somehow maybe, and you're supposed to be able to fly. I'm not sure. But I don't know. It's supposed to be a 3D envelope. I feel kind of, I don't know, I feel bad. I can't figure it out. So anyway, I'm gonna try to keep messing with it, and maybe somebody has an idea. But I made this bear, so this bear will go behind here somehow. You know, you glue it behind here, and then you have her paws. So I'm just going to try to make a cute little card here. And so on this card, I just took some cardstock, and then I took this paper and glued that on there. And then I just cut these out here, and then these are liquid pearls here. Pause. Okay, so here is my second card I've ever made. So I've got some work to do in here, but I don't think it's too bad. I don't know. But okay, so this is the first one. And then the second one with the teddy bear. That's created with this die here, and I will of course put the link to this in my description. This die set, which you saw me unbox in the beginning of this video, this set came with all of this, And they'll laugh at this card. This I made this after this card here. Yeah, so it's okay. We'll just, lessons learned, everybody, lessons learned. So I just made these little flowers and put them in here. And then I wanted to show you what this die looked like, because this is another one that I unboxed. And that comes with that set of dies. Anyway, this comes with this. And when you cut the umbrella out, this is how it comes out in these pieces like this. And then this is the cloud. And then this is the little hearts that comes out of this. Then you see the bow right here on there. And so this is like, this right here is this die here. These all came in a set. It came with this one, and this one. And then, so I just have this one cut out here. This one, and you can see how well it cuts. Yeah, this is very pretty. Just very pretty, like lacy. So, okay. So this is InLoveArts. These are my projects for that. I appreciate you all watching this video and starting my card making journey with me. You didn't have to make cards with these. Of course, any of these would make cute little, you know, for rosettes or anything like that. But I'm getting ready to make a card for a challenge entry. So I just wanted to try to get a little bit of practice with it. I really wish I could have figured out how to make this an envelope, but I still think it makes a pretty cute card. So the teddy bear is just adorable. You can do anything with that teddy bear. All right, thank you all so much. Please, if you are interested in ordering any dies, before I did this with this company, I was already ordering products from them. If you go back, I think that I have some videos up of hauls from them. And I love their dies. Their dies are well made. I haven't had an issue. They are very, you can see how they're very well made. So you will get 25% off your purchase. I do believe that's 25% off of $40. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I will have the coupon code in my description box. I will also pin it in the comments. If you have any questions, just get with me in the comments. And I appreciate y'all watching this video. Thank you so much.